Good morning and welcome to the Crypto Duck Life, and I am the Crypto Duck. God, that sounded professional. What a cunt. Right, what do we have? Look, firstly, sorry about the previous week. I was planning to do a Sunday news and get everybody caught up before starting again yesterday. Unfortunately, the UK had an unprecedented cold snap and I was unable to get back home. Oh yes, right. I'll do the differences over the week first so we can semi-catch up, and then we'll look at the last 24 hours, I guess. Right, Bitcoin. For the last 7 days, that's 4.4% up. It's sitting on 17,832. It's up 2.3% today. So that's having a little green moment. Ethereum is up 4.3% for the last 7 days, sitting on 1326. 3.1% of that is today. So it does seem to be today that everything's pulled itself together. BNB, however, is down 5.1 for 7, but it is up 2.5 today, so that's recovered slightly. Right, the major winner for the week is Ton. That's up 50%. We did mention their big news points last week before I disappeared, so no real surprise there. 20% of that 50% is today, so it looks like that's still flowing in the positive direction. Negatives for the week, very little really, and if it is down, it's down a little bit. Flow and Chili's are down 13%. That's by far the biggest drops we've seen over the week. And in the last 24 hours, GMX has dropped 8.3%. Overall in the markets, short-term volatility is the lowest since October 2020, before the last big push. So that's looking pretty sweet. There's been a lot of Sam Bankman news. I'm going to skip that for the time being and just look at other bits and bobs. We had a big spike of withdrawals from Binance. They're saying it will have all calmed down now, so hopefully that's why it's started to go back up again today. The Bermuda digital bank Jewel has issued a fully backed stablecoin. Crypto.com has released fully audited proof of reserves, so that's bloody good for them. No positive movement on their token yet, which I find utterly baffling, considering it only dropped to 5 because of a bullshit rumour. I would have expected that to double really once it was proven stable, but we'll hopefully see that in the coming weeks. November overall saw the largest outflows of Bitcoin leaving exchanges in history. So, I mean, part of that's going to be people not trusting the exchanges to leave their token on, and part of it is because they don't currently intend to sell it, which is a good thing long term and even short term for us. March the 23rd is the target that the Ethereum developers have said to aim for as far as releasing the staked ETH goes, which would be their next major upgrade. Hong Kong has incorporated crypto into their existing financial laws, so they've just done a little edit there to say it includes crypto. Bybit and Apex have combined to offer a KYC free trading experience. So that's good. Right, Sam Bankman. Oh fuck me. Right, this cunt. He was denied bail, and reports say he could be looking at life. The more we discover, the worse it looks. I mean, they were doing him for market manipulation because he secretly funded the Block, the second largest, I think, crypto news producer. The SEC has already filed fraud charges. The CFTC plan to sue him for fraud. It's looking pretty shit for him, really, as it currently stands. Led from the courthouse in handcuffs. as I said, bail denied. We'll have to wait and see exactly what falls out. The list of charges is immense. I have no doubt that it will be neatened up somewhat, and we'll see what's going on there. Anyway, look, you're sort of up to date. That's not too bad. We've done the major bits of news over the week. Tomorrow I'll do a slightly more in-depth look at news over the week. Right, well there you go. Look, I'm back. This is back on the daily and down low and all that cool shit and shizzle. Hit subscribe, do the fucking socials, you muppets, for fuck's sake. Come on, give me something to talk about. Right, tomorrow's
All Things Crypto by a Duck Life. See you next time.